In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Substack articles. Substack is a platform that allows writers to publish both free and subscriber-only content that you can access with ease. Let's get started on how you can dive into this treasure trove of articles. First, you'll want to log into your Substack account. Having your credentials ready will ensure a smooth process. If you haven't set up your account yet, don't worry, it's a straightforward task. Just follow the prompts on the Substack homepage, and you'll be ready to explore in no time. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it, as this is your gateway to account settings and subscriptions. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you should select the Settings option. This area is where you can manage various aspects of your account and subscriptions, ensuring your Substack experience is aligned with your preferences. Now, if you scroll through your settings, you'll come across the Subscription section. This is a pivotal spot, acting as your personalized library filled with all the publications you've subscribed to. It's ready to serve you the latest articles from your favorite writers. To begin exploring, simply click on the name of any publication that catches your eye. This will take you to the Publications page, essentially opening the doors to countless articles ready for your exploration. On this Publications page, you'll notice several tabs: Home, Archive, and Posts. These tabs are your navigational tools, helping you browse through the various articles available. If you're on the hunt for the most recent posts, the Home tab is where you need to be. For a comprehensive look at past articles, the Archive tab is valuable. And for an all-encompassing list of what's available to read, the Posts tab is your best bet. Once you find a title that piques your interest, just click on it to read the full article. It's that simple. You're just a click away from immersing yourself in the thoughts and expertise of the writer. Remember that while you are exploring these posts, some will be accessible for free, offering valuable insights at no cost. However, others might require a paid subscription to unlock the full content. When you encounter a locked post, consider whether the content is worth the investment for you. With these steps, you should now feel confident in your ability to navigate and enjoy all that Substack has to offer. Enjoy the enriching world of content waiting for you. Happy reading!